In the quiet hours before sunrise, when the world feels suspended between yesterday and tomorrow, a forgotten shape rests beneath dark, still water. Once a symbol of speed, precision, and electric performance, the Polestar BST Performance Variant lies silent, abandoned, damaged, and almost erased by time. This car was never meant to end here. Months earlier, it ruled the road with confidence. Sharp lines, instant torque, and the unmistakable calm power of an electric performance machine. But fate is rarely predictable. A single moment, a flooded road, a wrong turn, and the future sank beneath the surface. Now, water surrounds it. Mud clings to the body. Algae creeps across the paint. The headlights stare blankly into the depths, like eyes that refuse to give up hope. Most would look at this car and see the end. But some see a beginning. Wave the recovery. As the clouds hang heavy overhead, the silence breaks. Steel cables tighten. A recovery crane roars to life on the shoreline. Slowly, carefully, the Polestar is lifted from the water, droplets cascading from its body like tears being shed for the past. The moment the tires leave the water, something changes. It's no longer a wreck. It's a project, a challenge. The crane swings the car onto solid ground. The body is soaked, damaged, scarred, but intact. The core remains, and that's all that matters. Because performance isn't just about speed. It's about resilience. Delivery truck, the journey to redemption. Loaded onto a heavy dumper truck, chained down and secured, the Polestar begins its journey inland. The road stretches ahead, cutting through industrial zones and quiet backstreets. Every bump reminds it of where it's been. Every kilometer brings it closer to what it could become again. This isn't just transport, it's a transition, from abandonment to purpose. Wrench the workshop. The doors of the workshop roll open. Bright lights flood the space. Tools line the walls. Screens glow with diagnostics and data. Mechanics gather around the car, not with doubt, but with focus. Panels come off. Systems are checked. The electric motor is inspected with surgical precision. The battery pack is analyzed, dried, recalibrated. Wiring is cleaned. Software is reset. There's no rush here, only respect for engineering. Hands move with experience. Every bolt tightened with intent. Every component restored with care. This isn't about making it run. It's about making it right. Hours turn into days. The scars fade. The systems awaken. And then, silence again. Not the silence of failure, but the silence of readiness. Sparkles the reveal. The workshop doors open once more. This time, something different rolls out. The Polestar BST stands tall. Clean. Sharp. Reborn. The paint reflects the morning light like liquid metal. LED headlights ignite with confidence. The stance is aggressive, balanced, unapologetic. No trace of water. No memory of weakness. Only performance. This isn't a repaired car. This is a refined machine. Motorway back on the road. The road ahead is open. The asphalt smooth and endless. As the accelerator is pressed, torque flows instantly, silent, powerful, precise. The world begins to blur at the edges. The car doesn't fight the road. It owns it. Corners are taken with confidence. Straight lines disappear in seconds. The rear lights glow red against the fading sun as the Polestar surges forward. This is where it belongs. Not in the water. Not on a crane. Not on a truck. But here, moving forward. Australia the meaning. Out here, we understand machines differently. In Australia, distance teaches patience. Roads teach respect. And performance isn't just about numbers, it's about reliability, strength, and the will to keep going. The Polestar BST Performance Variant isn't just electric. It's proof that progress doesn't quit when things get hard. It adapts. It recovers. It comes back stronger. From the depths to the open road, this isn't just a car story. It's a story of resilience, of engineering, of second chances. And as the road stretches endlessly ahead, one thing is clear. The future doesn't sink, it rises.